In this video I will show you my process to make a live edge cutting board. You might find these selling on Etsy or eBay. My name is Jules and I just love to make stuff. This here is an ash board. Now ash is durable, it's beautiful, and well, it deserves a glow up. So let's give it one. First things first, let's measure and cut. Each board will be 400mm, nice and sturdy, but still manageable in the kitchen. I love working with one solid piece. It keeps everything looking clean and natural. These boards are actually a surprise for my daughters, so if you're watching, well, surprise. You're getting something handmade right from my workshop. Alright, so quick note. You're going to see a lot of Ryobi green in this video. I've got quite a few Ryobi tools, but just so we're clear, this isn't sponsored. I just like them. So let's put these tools to work and make some chopping boards. To get started, I needed to break down the plank into more manageable pieces, and once I could fit it onto my miter saw, it made the whole process a lot easier. Each chopping board will be cut to size and keeping that live edge look intact. Once I could get the plank onto my miter saw, and it made things easier, but trust me, it's still a bit of a workout. Now when I say live edge, I mean we're keeping this baby's natural edge untouched, wild and free. None of that straight edge business, just pure nature on your kitchen counter. This is where you really get that unique custom look. No two live edges are the same, and that's kinda cool, right? Plus, this edge will definitely start some conversations when it's on your counter. Alright, so it's time to clean up these edges. I used my grinder with a 60 grit sanding disc to smooth things out, especially along the live edge. It's quick, it's effective, and it makes a huge difference in getting rid of any rough spots. To get started on smoothing out these chopping boards, I used my belt sander with a 60 grit sanding belt. Ash is super tough, so starting with a lower grit helps take down the rough surface fast. It's perfect for getting rid of saw marks and giving me a smooth starting point. Now that the edges are cleaned up, it's time for some detailed sanding. I started with 80 grit on my orbital sander and worked my way up through 120, 180, 220 and finally 320. Each grit gets it smoother and closer to that perfect finish. And now, we finish. This oil will bring out the grain and make it pop. Plus, it'll protect the wood from moisture and make it safe for food. Let's get this beauty shining. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you'd like more projects like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking and DIY fun. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.